Hello, and welcome back to another Design Coffee Break. I'm Lisa, and I will be your coach today. The idea behind Design Coffee Break is we are going to show you how to use a Poster My Wall tool in about the same amount of time as it would take you to enjoy a hot cup of coffee. Today's demo is Poster My Wall Tutorial for Beginners. This class is for anybody who would like to create their own professional quality marketing graphics and videos without investing a lot of time and money. So say hi in the comments and tell us where you're watching from. Poster My Wall is a DIY platform that empowers small businesses to create and publish professional quality graphics and videos in minutes. Today, I'm going to do a quick demo of how to select and customize our templates to create beautiful visuals that you can use for all of your marketing needs. 20 minutes from now, you're going to be ready to jump into Poster My Wall and start creating your own branded graphics and videos. Awesome, right? So some quick reminders. First of all, this video is going to stay here on our Facebook page, so you can come back and watch as often as you'd like. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments and we will get back to you as quickly as we can. And also, there's bonus content if you stay till the end, and also a promo code. So please do stay with us. One more reminder, if you'd like to see more Poster My Wall educational content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's where we keep all of everything. Let's jump in. When you get to the Poster My Wall landing page, you'll see that there are all kinds of categories that you can search through. You can click on any of these and get a lot of options, or you can come over here on the left, and if you know what size you want, you can look at the album covers, logos, gift certificates. There's social media graphics by size, or you can use a search term. Now, I'm going to use the term, I'm using hair salon. And we're actually going to do a design for a candy store today, but I'm clicking hair salon so I can show you that you can take any template and change it to match any brand you want. You just find something that kind of has more or less the layout that you want, and you can go from there. So I click on my template and I click Edit Design. And there it is. So now I click around and I see what kind of elements. So there's copy, there's a piece of clip art, there's a shape, there's a video in the background, there's this weird little shape that, that I'm not going to need. So I will go and say, okay, I know I don't want this video. I'm going to click on her and click delete. And this other shape that's doing nothing, I'm going to click delete. So if you want to pick a background, go over here on the right where it says background, and you can pick a gradient, a transparent. You can upload a background from your photos, or you can pull a stock photo. If you just want to change the color, you click on the color, and anything here, text, shapes, you'll have the same sort of color tool. You go in and either type in your hex code. You can use the color picker eyedropper. Let's say you wanted it to match this purple, you could just click there, or you can use this handy dandy little slider and click around and just pick a color that you like. All right, so what if I wanted to have a photo background instead? Then I would have gone to solid color, stock photo, typed in candy, and I get all these great options, which are included if you have a premium subscription, as many of these as you want or need. So I'm going to click select. Sometimes it takes a few seconds to load. And it's showing it cropping a little bit because what the thing I'm pasting it into is not the same shape as the photo. So I'm going to, I don't see anything weird. I like how it's cropped. If I wanted, I could shift this up or down. So put it where you like it, you click select, and again, you wait a few seconds. And you can see you have your new background. Now, anything else on here, again, you can change the colors of anything you don't like. So this shape here, if I wanted to change that, again, I click on it, I scroll down until I get the color picker. And so maybe I'll make this my turquoise thing. You can do that with all of, any shapes, any objects on there. Now, a tip, if you have an object that you can't grab easily without moving things, like there is a shade behind this turquoise shape, there is another kind of an outline that would be hard to get at. So what you can do is if you click the tab key, and I'm going to make sure I can see the color picker so I can see from there that I'm on the turquoise shape. And then I just start clicking tab. And let's see, where am I? No, I'm over there. And I can see from the boxes which part of my design it's grabbing. And there I can see I have that shape. So if I wanted to change that, I can just click on another color that I want instead. And it's changed that easy. Let's see what's next. Text. Now text is easy. You just click on the text that's there and change it to what you want it to be. I think we're going to do Donut Day. Now you can come, once you've got your copy in there, you can come over to the right, and there's all kinds of things that you can do with the opacity. You can change the font if you want. There's a gazillion fonts here. You could just pick one and see if you like it, or if you know the name of a font, you can type it in. I like this one called Rye. So that's there. Got our type. So I'm going to go back to my menu. I can make it bold or italics or unbold. I can change the size either over here on the right or by grabbing the shape and pulling it and dragging it around. There's also options here if you wanted to change it to be left justified, right justified, center justified, vertical alignment, all kinds of things here. So you can play around with it. You can add backgrounds. It is really fun and easy. And of course, I already showed you how to change colors, and I'm just going to go ahead and leave the text white since we already changed the color. Now, also with fonts or any object on here, any shape, you can rotate. So just know that you can do that. Sometimes it comes in super handy, as it's going to come in a little while for us. If you wanted to add your own copy, go over to text, click add plain text. Oh, sorry. All right, so you grab that new piece, drag it over, and you just type in what you want. And again, change the colors, change the sizes, change the shape, anything that you want. If you decide you don't want something, we have this handy up on the left, the undo button. You can make it go back to where it was. Or if you liked it better where it was before, you can click the redo. All right, so you can add all the copy you want. It is really, really awesome. Now, if you wanted to add a photo or a video or a logo, let me show you how to do that. Up here under the photo menu on the left, you can say add from my photos, add a stock photo, add from Facebook, add a slideshow, which would be you add a number of photos and you program it so it shows a few seconds of each. You can bring directly from Google or from Dropbox. Since I already showed you with the background how to add a stock photo, I'm going to add from my photos. This is also if you had a logo. You can click upload photos and grab that logo and import it in. I've already done that, so I'm just going to click on my logo and add it. And again, you can do that with any of our stock photos or any of your personal photos or logos or images or anything. Then you can, again, change the size, change the positioning. You know, I could rotate it a little bit if I wanted. Just anything you want to do. All right, so once we have that done, I'll show you on the photos or the videos under media, you would come down here and you would click add from my videos or stock videos, a video slideshow. Also under here, you can add your own audio, or we have a lot of stock audio clips that are very cool. I'm going to show you if you add a stock video. I'm going to search for donuts. And I get a bunch of choices. Let's see. I'm going to take the zooming donuts. I click add video. And I wait. Yeah, depending on the size of the video you import, sometimes it can take a few seconds, sometimes even a minute, but it will come up. while it's churning, I'm going to go ahead and save my work. So I'm going to change the name and click save. And when you click save, you cannot go backward again. So, there our video came in. So anyway, do save your work, do name it and save it. And then you go back, and if you click over here and post to my wall, you will get to a folder that has all of your designs, and you can make subfolders and organize them any way you want. So if you wanted to add a video, I mean, you could add several videos onto this design. You can see push play here and it works. You can, add it as a window. You could put a border around this. You could, again, rotate it. You can add as many videos as you want. Or if you wanted to say, use a video as a background, you can either use the handles and drag it to make it very large, or click on it, go over here to the position menu and just stretch it until it covers the whole thing. Now, every single thing, every single object in your Post to My Wall design is on its own layer. So you think of it as a sandwich, and the background is the bottom piece of bread. And right now this video is the top piece of bread, and all the other components are the filling in the middle of our sandwich. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click backward or to bottom. I'm going to click backward so you can see that each item comes up by one. And you just keep clicking until you have everything. All right, there's some text up here, which is white and not showing up. I'm going to go ahead and just make that black so we see it. All right, and then you can press play and test your video. And that's all put together just like that. Now, other fun things under elements, this is where we've got a whole library of shapes you can choose from. Whole library of clip art, stickers, which are animated clip art, the GIFs, they're great, or add QR codes. I'm going to go ahead and show you with the clip art. I'm going to add a little piece of candy. Click on the one I want, add clip art. And there it is. So I'm going to go here to the scissors. I'm going to get rid of the scissors. I'm going to make this much smaller. I'm going to rotate it and drag it into place. Now, all these other things that we haven't touched, like these little scrolls, again, you can come over and you can, you can change the color. You can do whatever you would like with them. You can make them bigger, smaller. You can replace them with other things from the clip art or the shape library. Whatever you need to do to customize your design the way that you want it. Okay, so we talked about elements, text. So we have plain text, fancy text, the text slideshow, which again would be a place where the text would change. So maybe it would say today's flavors, and then it would say vanilla, and then it would say chocolate. We have other classes. You can go on our YouTube site and our YouTube chat. You can go on the Post to My Wall YouTube channel and pull up all of those demos and some animated demos. Add menu. If you have a menu for a restaurant, you can click this and it lays it out like a menu for you. It's a quick and easy way to do a menu and also to update it quickly. All right, we already talked about the media menu. Layout, again, has adding a schedule, a menu, a table, or tear off tabs. And we already talked about the background. So that is all of our stuff. We've already saved it. I'm going to go ahead and save it again. The only thing that's left then is to publish or download. So you can click either. Let's go start with publish. And you have choices. You can post it directly to your Twitter account, an Instagram business account that you own, your Facebook page, a Facebook group. There is, you can do an email campaign right from Post to My Wall, where you take your design and add copy and upload your email address, send it out email. We have a lot of digital signage partners, so you can upload that directly to digital signage. You can publish it as a web page, which is really making it as a landing page, which is hosted by Post to My Wall, embedded in a web page or a link on social media. Download options, because this one had a video, we have a choice. We can have a still image, a JPEG, a GIF, or an MP4 in a variety of sizes. And if you have a still graphic, there's a lot more choices. You can save as PDFs, JPEGs, PNGs, and you can get them sized how you want. So that is how you do it. So wasn't that incredibly easy? I mean, just think of all of the graphics and videos that you can create without investing a lot of time or money using Poster My Wall. All right, so our promo code is START50. So with that code, you can get START50. It is 50% on your next download. So if you're a pay-as-you-go customer and you wanted to try out Poster My Wall, or if you've never done a video with Poster My Wall and you want to see what it's like, 50% off on that download using this code, and it will be good until July 7th. So please do use that. We also have some bonus content. Audrey's going to post the link in the comments for you. And that's just got some templates and some other tools that we think you might find handy. If you have any questions, please do put them in the comments. I'll go back in about an hour or two and I will answer whatever is in there. And we will, if it comes in later, we'll get back to you soon. Please do share this with any of your friends and colleagues that you think can save a lot of time and money by using Poster My Wall to promote their small business. And thank you. Thank you so much for joining us. We will see you next time on the next Learn with Poster My Wall.